exact color that I was talking about that I meant for my garage. Like a white with the gray veins going through it. I think that'd be dope. Come on, dude. Let's go. Views on views, dude. It's amazing out here. Look at Boss walking like a stallion. Boss, what is that? Those birds? He's gonna go bird chasing now. Come on, dude. Guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, gabe.gtz, link in the description. Boss is actually coming. He's gonna get groomed today. So right there, Boss. Gonna go get groomed, buddy. Clean out your ears, cut them toenails. Let's do it. It's already coming down the hill. I'm like halfway down already, but there is the view today. It is pretty clear. So this right here is Boss. He's a little shy right now. Look at his ears. And if you guys didn't know, actually some of my tattoos, like this one right here, is actually him. And his ear is all popped up. On the other side, it's right behind the watch. But dope, dope, dope. Boss, yo, you ready to get groomed, bro? So this is where he is going. Oh, now you excited? Open the door, you get all excited? Huh? Huh, Boss? Get all excited, huh? Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, Boss. Come on. Boss, Boss, come here. Boss, come on. This way, Boss. Come on. Boss, over here. Right here, guys, Muddy Paws.
Hi,
Hey,
how you doing?
good. How are you?
I'm good. This is my husband, Mike. My sister,
Hey,
Gabe.
Mike. Gabe, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you also, brother.
All right, boss. You ready?
Oh, I guess there's one under.
Hi, handsome. Piper.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Gabe Gutierrez. If you are new, please smash that subscribe button. Help me out. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. And if we can make that possible, it's only going to be possible with you guys' help. So please smash that subscribe button if you have not yet. Didn't really do much today. As you guys seen, all I did was pretty much just take Boss to get groomed, went to lunch, went over to the post office and did a few things here and there. But yeah, so I've decided I'm going to wash this black truck today, put her in the garage, start getting her ready for one of you guys to take her, because it is going in the giveaway, as you guys know. So that is what I'm going to be doing, be washing that thing and making her look good, putting her back in the garage. There's my little girl. They literally just started the other day, and yeah, let's try it again. Might just be, I'm hoping it's just the remote start. That's so crazy. It literally just started yesterday or the day before. How dumb is that? Let's see. Nope, it's not gonna go. God, that sucks. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the charger on it. So these are those 22s that are for the Range Rover that I was talking about. So I did powder coat them in gloss black. They used to be matte black. Waiting for this damn thing now. It's so crazy because it literally just started like, when was it? Literally, it was just like 2 days ago probably. Yeah, it was probably like 2 days ago, 1 day ago. And that was my first time starting it in like a month. Finally started. I literally put the trickle charger on it. Listen to this thing. God, it smells good. I literally put the trickle charger to it for maybe like, I'd say probably like 10-15 minutes, and it started. Brand new batteries, I think. Yeah, brand new batteries, both of them. Literally, like, I put the batteries in and parked it like a month ago. I'm actually gonna leave it running while I wash it, just so it gets a little bit of charge. And then once I put it in the garage, then I'm gonna plug it back to the trickle charger. The sun is going down pretty quick. Pretty soon, like in 30 minutes, it's gonna be below that, and then we're gonna be screwed. somewhat clean now. So the other day I actually went to our closest detail garage. I don't know if you guys have ever been there, but they sell all chemical guy stuff. Dope store. That's like one of my favorite places to go. So I ended up getting this after wash stuff. So you spray this after you wash it, and it gets like all the big water drops to come off, to fall off of the truck pretty much. And got some detailer spray, and I got some light metal polish that I need to obviously polish these wheels. I have heavy metal polish from them, and then after you use the heavy metal, because it leaves a little bit of scratches on them, then you run it over with the light detail polish, or with the light metal polish, sorry. But this after wash stuff, this is actually my first time using it. I believe this is what my detailer uses all the time on the trucks when it comes and washes my stuff, but we will see how this stuff works. So as you guys seen, I literally just, if it even works, there it goes. I literally just finished spraying it with the pressure washer, so now I'm gonna spray it down with this, let the water run down, and then I'm gonna get to dry it, and that saves my tails because I only have 2 of the big tails, but on these trucks, they hold so much water that the towels get soaked, like right away. It looks so good. So crazy, you can already see the water running down. I don't know how long one of these will last though. Need to buy this shit by the gallon because it's like, dude, look at it, was brand new, look where it's at now. Insane. Well, whatever, it's working. Like, I sprayed it, and look, you can see like the water running down, like all of the big most of the water that was on it has already ran down. You can see all the lines coming of it coming down. Smells good, and it's supposed to leave a shine too after you dry it, so I don't know, we'll see. Let's see these instructions, because I never do. Wash vehicle, rinse using clean water. While vehicle is wet, spray chemical guides after wash, so I did that right. Surface to release moisture. Dry using a premium microfiber towel. Enjoy a streak-free finish. So that's it. It's ready to go. Now, dry it. That stuff works pretty good. Now don't get me wrong, the truck is going to be paint corrected by Final Touch Detailing. It's a good buddy of mine, and I know he's watching this video, dude, so don't worry, you're still going to come wash this thing, detail it, get it all brand spanking new looking again. So how he does this all day. Dude, the truck looks amazing. Like, I'm not even done with it. I haven't even done the detailer spray that has wax in it and stuff for extra shine. But I mean, like, look at this thing. It's like, it's so clean. And I still need to polish the wheels. Like, they need some polishing, but dude, this thing looks dope. So amazing. I'm excited. I am so excited for this. Anyways guys, that is gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give this a thumbs up. Like I said, please help me out reaching my subscriber goal. I just need 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Guys, please help me out. But until now, I'm gonna park this thing in the garage, and I guess that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.